What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber here from Ambazar's DIY and other stuff. I haven't posted in a while. I've been really busy and just with school, work, and a lot of stuff going on at home. I have a lot going on. So I decided that I just want to take a nice long break and then come back when I felt like I had the time to do this and enjoy it. I mean, if it's not an enjoyable thing, then it's not something that I want to do. And I really do enjoy doing this. So I decided to wait until I could enjoy it again. My goal is to post a lot of content this summer while my son's off school and build it up so that I can schedule it throughout the year and have enough built up because I've been filming. I've been filming a lot. I just haven't edited and released the videos. So my goal is to get those videos edited and release them here, sprinkle them out there here and there, and hopefully have at least one video for you guys a week, maybe two. Okay, that's my goal. So in this video, I have been going down the rabbit hole, and I do mean rabbit hole, of watching mystery jewelry jar unboxings on TikTok. It's an addicting thing, okay? And then I finally started buying them myself, and now I'm starting to put together mystery jewelry jars that people can buy. So there may be some things in this jar that I don't want, so it can end up in somebody else's jar. Or if you really like the piece, you can just message me on Depop. I am on Depop. I have like 2 things out there listed just to experiment with it, but you can message me on Depop and I can listen on there for you if you see something you really like. Okay, so this one is this jar. Well, it's a vase. It's actually a vase. It's like a colorful vase of jewelry here, so I'm really excited about this. And if I would have thought this through, I would have took all of this tape off. So now I'm going to have to pause the video and take the tape off because I wasn't prepared to do this clearly. So I'll be right back. Okay, we have all the tape off the jar. See, ready to go. And I went ahead and just took off those bracelets and stuff that were on the top. So we have a couple bangles here. So this one just has like some beads inside the bangle, and this is just a plain silver bangle. We have this one right here. I don't wear jewelry when I do these videos, guys, because I find it easier just to try the stuff on and you guys see. This is really cute. I like this one a lot. And this is so colorful. Look how fun this one is. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so we're off to a great start. And this is one of those magnetic necklaces. Oh, this is a different necklace. I'm like, huh? But this is one of those magnetic necklaces. Or if you want, you could, here it is, by the way, so you guys can see it. See how it just grabs onto itself? Super fun. You could also do it like this and wear it as a bracelet. This has multiple possibilities, and the bracelet is actually really pretty. See? Love that. So that's really fun. Next, this was attached to it. It's a little tangled, but we'll get her untangled. It has an S on it. This is a really small, dainty S. Oh no, there you go. There you go. That's so pretty. Very small, dainty. Do I know of anybody that starts with an S? Not really sure. Oh, these earrings would go with what I have going on today. That's fun. Paparazzi earrings. And then we have this beautiful necklace. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. Love that. Okay. Okay, this is a bracelet. It's like half stretchy, half, whatever's going on here. This is cute. Look at that. So it has like these little dangly things on there. I don't know if you guys are really going to see at that angle. Why am I having trouble putting it on and off though? It's not like hard or whatever. But see, here's the charms that came on it. This is cute. Love that. Okay. Oh, this is another bracelet. It's one of those bracelets that's all bunched together, but it looks as though they put it as a set with this ribbon. So you can just undo the ribbon and then you can wear them together or not wear them together and do whatever you want, right? So I have this one, this one, this one, and this one. So pretty, you guys. And you could keep the ribbon on there and wear it like that, but I wouldn't wear it that way anyway. So that's why I went ahead and just took it off. This is cute, guys. It's a great jar. Forget how much I paid for this one. Oh no. Oh no, how am I gonna how am I gonna get to this stuff? How'd they get it in there? Oh no. Ooh. Okay. Come on. Okay, let's start with these two. Like, how am I going to get to that stuff? We got a cute little pearl bracelet. Not going to try that on. This little bracelet right here. Loving the colorfulness of this. Okay, this ring is interesting. So, okay. Yeah, I really don't know. Look at this. Lots going on there. Oh, like they look like a bunch of birthstones, honestly. Like it could be like a mother's ring or something. Let's see if it fits me. It does not. So it fits my pinky. Look at that. Bling on the pink. All right, I can wear it on my pinky, but it's really small. Oh my gosh, you guys. How am I supposed to get this stuff out of here? I might have to pause the video to figure out how to get the rest of this out of the jar. Okay, so we have this one. Very simple. I might just add something to that. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm seriously getting concerned. Like this stuff just doesn't want to come loose. Okay. Okay, hold on. Wait your turn. Let me see if I can get some more out of here. Oh my goodness. You guys, it's like really in there. And it's just coming out like little tiny trinklets at a time. Oh, come out. You guys went in there. You got to come out of there. Okay, here we go. Oh. Why is this sharp right here? Okay, hold on. Oh, wow, this is so like funny to watch. I'm sure you guys are probably like, this is hilarious. Okay, I'm gonna start showing you guys stuff again because I don't think I'm gonna get all this out of here. Oh my gosh, I might have to pause the video and just dump this because this is not working out. I'll be right back. Hold on. Whew. Guys, that was work. I'm just saying, but she's empty. Okay, we're gonna put her over here. So look, we got several more of those other bracelets here's the other one. So we have several of the same kind of bracelet, which is fine. We have a ring. Here's this ring. So that's fine. Oh, I just gave my niece a very similar necklace. This is pretty. Look at that. That's pretty. Very pretty layered necklace. Okay, what's going on here? No, you don't go there. Oh, I don't know where that is. Oh, yeah, I do. Got it. Okay, so we have this number here. This is just like a two-toned necklace, which is really cool. It's got a toggle clasp. Look. Oh, that'd be pretty. Okay, cool. This is pretty. Oh, look, so fun. So many colors. Okay, love that. That is really cute. Looks like we have a couple of the same again. I needed yellow. Oh, where was this jar the other day? I needed yellow bracelets and I didn't have any. Here we go. It's here. This one's like green, but yeah. Wish I would have had this jar the other day because I needed yellow bracelets like so bad. So then we got these bracelets. It looks like they need restrung, guys. Look, see how it's like we got a lot of slack there. I'll probably restring these because they need a little bit of work. What's this got on it? Nothing. Okay, so we have this one here. Oh, this one's cute. Are these stretchy? Oh, it doesn't look like it is. I'm like afraid to put it on. I feel like it's gonna like break. Oh yeah, look. Oh, it started to break. Oh no, look. Okay, look. See, this needs restrung too. I will restring this one. I hope I can get it off without breaking it. But it's cute. It's cute. It just needs restrung. Okay. What's going on here? Are there two of these? Oh, there's two of them. Oh my gosh. Stop it right now. Look at these earrings. Stop it. Oh my gosh, I love them. I would like to clean them and put them on right now. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, I love those earrings. They're so cute. And we have a couple more rings here. We have this gold band here and then this like white one. What is this? Oh, it is. It's a bracelet. Oh, so fun. Stop it. Oh my gosh, it's loud and crazy, just like me. Oh, yes, please. I love it, you guys. This is really pretty. I don't know if you guys really got a chance to see it, but it's really pretty. Loving that. Okay, we got two of these earrings as well. Definitely will wear these. They're just plain white ones. Okay, here's the gold clip-ons here. I'm gonna show it. I have two of them. Let me show it to you like this though so you can see them. It's just a gold clip-on. There are two. And then we got this little gold bracelet. So pretty. Oh, these are yellow. Oh yes. We have these loud yellow ones. And then we have these little small, like this is what one looks like, guys. Okay, so that's cool. We have a couple more bracelets. And this one here, and then this one here. And what's going on in here? This is broken. I wonder what was on it. It's definitely broken though, look. I don't know if you guys are going to get the gist of it, but it's definitely broken. And that's okay. I'll probably just turn it into something else because that's what I do. What are these? Oh, these are earrings. Ooh. Well, hello. Oh, so pretty. Look at this. Yes. Oh my gosh, I love them. Okay. This was a great jar, you guys. I really loved this jar. Sorry for all the chaos with it all. I have one more jar from this seller. I will put the seller in my description box so that if you guys are interested in checking them out. I got this from Depop. I think it's a great jar. It was great. I have this one here, this little baby guy that I'm going to unbox in my next video. So make sure that you guys subscribe and stay tuned for that jar. So thanks for stopping by, checking out this video. And those of you who made it to the end, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it. And I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!